Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Derek Collins with the Diversion Center here to talk to you guys about what to do when it gets slow. If you're a court mandated provider or a therapist, counselor, and you run a court mandated business, hey, guess what? Times do get slow. And with the talks of the recession right now, a lot of people are afraid and a lot of people are holding back on spending money and getting certain services. But guess what? When you have court mandated clients, they still have to pay for these services, or guess what? They get in trouble. They got to go to jail and get probation violations and all that good stuff. So don't panic, okay? It's just a delay on your money. So here are some strategies and tips that you guys can use when times get slow. Number one, get your mind right, okay? Get your mind right. Do not panic. What goes down can also come up, okay? So remember that. Do not panic. It's okay. Keep a positive mindset and know things can and will turn around. I remember the recession from 2008, and that didn't last forever, and neither will this, okay? So understand that whatever downtime that you're going through right now, it will not last forever. It will turn around, all right? Number two, cut unnecessary costs, okay? Audit your account and cut expenses. Make sure that you're not paying too much for your services. If you need to downgrade, go ahead and downgrade or get rid of certain services that you're not really needing or using at this time. You'd be surprised how many things that you're paying for that you have not paid attention to that is on autopilot, just draining money out of your account. Subscriptions and things of that nature, make sure to look at that. Number three, spend the extra time to strategize. You have all this free time now. You don't have a ton of clients right now. Spend that time to strategize and do some research. Look up different things that you could potentially do to improve your business, but also make more money. Think about that. Number four, clean up your website and make sure that it is clear and is professional looking and people can understand what the heck that you're talking about. You do not want people bouncing off your website because they don't understand what you're trying to sell. Make sure that it's professional looking because a lot of people will judge you on your website. If it's not professional looking and if it's not on point, they're going to just leave it and go to another business because for some reason, clients think that people in this business are scam artists and they think that they're offering fake services, which is crazy to me. But that's how they think. So they're like, I don't trust this website. So therefore, I'm not going to call this agency and spend money with them because they may not be legit. Okay. I hear that a lot from clients. So make sure that your website is on point. All right. Number five, train your staff. Spend this time to train your staff on certain things that you put on the back burner that you need to train them on, especially with new staff. You give them the information that they need to be successful. So they're not asking you a whole bunch of questions. All right. If you have interns, give them the game, give them the information, spend that time training them and getting them up to speed to help you make your life easier at the office. All right. Number six, don't panic. Please do not panic. This happens in business. Do not panic. It's okay. This will pass. Okay. Just know that this will pass. Don't panic. This happens in 10 years in business. Oh my God, this has happened so many times. And I'm to the point where I'm just numb because I'm like, oh, here we go again. Been through this, survived this 50 million times. So if I could survive it once, I could survive it twice. If I could survive it twice, I could survive it three times, and on and on and on. So please understand that this will pass. So do not panic. Um, Number seven, consider increasing ad spend and paying for consulting. Yes, pay for consulting. Get advice from someone that knows more than you that can help you out. Um, this is when a lot of people are afraid to spend money on advertising. It's totally up to you. But you can double down on advertising. I know earlier I talked to you guys about cutting your costs, but I've talked about cutting unnecessary costs. Cutting unnecessary costs is cool, but advertising, while everyone is like contracting, you can actually spend more money on advertising and you dominate your sector or your area if you choose to. Okay. A lot of people choose not to do that. You have to monitor it, but hey, that is something that you can do. Okay. Double down on your advertising and your marketing, and or pay for consulting. Get help from a professional that can help you improve your business. Now, someone that can get real results, guys. Hire people that can get you real results, that have proven strategies of making money, that are in the same field that you're in. All right. Number 8, audit your business practices. See if you are dropping the ball anywhere. Yeah, there could be areas where you're dropping the ball, where you're lacking customer service, where just something that's not adding up. Maybe your employees are not showing up on time to work and not answering the phones. Pay attention. Start auditing your business. Number 9, make sure that your customer service is top notch. You guys hear me talk about that all the time. Number 10, consider creating a sale or special promotion. I am notorious for creating a sale or a special promotion at the end of the month, because I know the cycle of my business. At the end of the month, it's always slow. Usually, not always slow, but it slows down. Okay, um, it's not as busy as it usually is because people are saving their money to pay for their rent, mortgage, and all that good stuff. So rent comes first, right? In our clients' eyes. So they're like, I'm not paying for these classes. I'm not paying for this drug test or evaluation. I need to pay my rent first. And I understand that. So I might put a special promotion or sale for a service or a training. I might even start training more. That's what I usually do when things get tight. I start promoting my trainings, and that covers what I would have made in providing services. So think about the special promotions or deals that you can offer. Think about, hey, pay for your all your classes up front, and you get maybe 15% off. 10% off if you pay for all your classes up front. You know that could give you a surge of money that you did not expect. All right. Let me see where we at. Oh, I forgot to mention, when you have your sale, make sure that it has a sense of urgency attached to it. Make sure that it has a sense of urgency. There has to be an end date so people know that, hold on, if I don't get this sale right now, I'm not going to get it. Like right now, I'm running a sale right now for several different trainings I'm having, and there's an end date attached to it. If they don't get it, they're going to miss out on saving, like, was it 7 grand or something right now? So you got to think about that. All right. Number 11, stay positive. Visualize your success and work out. Yes, stay positive. I know that's easier said than done for some people, and in some cases. But hey, stay positive. Increase your positive self-talk. Pump yourself up. Be your biggest cheerleader during times when it's slow. Um, Number 12, focus on what is working. Focus on what is working and double down on it. Yes, focus on what is working. Excuse me, I can't even talk right now. Focus on what is working and double down on it. If your classes are working, if your evaluations are working, double down on it. Focus on that and stop doing the stuff that's not working. Number 13, uh, get rid of debt if you can. Uh, Focus on building your corporate credit if you can. Getting your corporate credit score up, um, and apply for grants if you want to, but get rid of debt because you're going to need that, those credit cards and your lines of credit just in case things get crazy. So you want to free up as much debt as you can, and get your lines of credit clear. So just in case something happens, you can swipe those cards. So get rid of as much debt as you can if you can afford to, and then apply for grants if you can. Apply for business grants. Hey guys, there are business grants that you can find all over the place. So you can do that. And what else? I think that's it. So I hope this helps you guys. I wanted to be quick. I didn't want to go over 11 minutes. And yes, I hit my goal. Awesome. So if you guys need me, call my office at 404-503-8069. Go to thediversioncenter.com. And if you need coaching, consulting, if you need assistance with your court mandated business, I'm here to help. Talk to you guys later. Be great.